How to lock and hide apps on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, head towards the app that you want to lock and hide. For this video, I'm going to lock and hide Snapchat. You'll need to press and hold on that app. Now select the option Require Face ID. With that, you're going to get two options, Require Face ID, Hide and Require Face ID. Select the option of your choice. As you want to hide and lock the app, you'll need to select the option Hide and Require Face ID. Click on it. Your Face ID will be enabled. Now click on the option Hide App. With that, you have just hide the app. Now where can you find it? For that, you can navigate to your app library, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom, you're going to find this hidden section. Using your Face ID, you can easily unlock as well as unhide the app. Likewise, in case you just want to lock the app, what you want to do is press and hold on the app and select the option Require Face ID. Click on Require Face ID. With this, the app will only be locked. Now, whenever you try to access the app, you'll need to use your Face ID. So this is how you can easily hide and lock apps on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.